How to add captions on the uploaded post in Instagram. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can add captions on your posted Instagram content. Start by opening the Instagram application on your device. On the home page, click on the profile icon located at the end of the screen. Scroll down to find the post you wish to add or edit the caption for. Click on the specific post you want to caption. Once in the post view, you will notice three dots at the top. Click on these three dots to reveal additional options. Among the options, you will find Edit also. Click on this option to enter the editing interface for the selected post. In the editing interface, you will see the existing caption. Here you can either edit the current caption or add a new one. Type your caption in the provided space. Click on the check mark icon at the top right corner of the screen once you are done. Allow some time for the changes to take effect. Scroll down to refresh your profile and you will see that you have successfully added or edited the caption for your Instagram post. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.